frankly, I need boot camp for my workout. I need it for my accountability. So I'm recording this because I know that if you watch it and you work out, then I will work out even harder, okay? So here we go. We're gonna start with a warm up. We're gonna start with some down dogs. So get in a down dog position, lift your hips, press your heels back to the floor, press your palms in, look back at your knees. And then we're gonna slowly come forward through plank. Dip the heels back, the hips back, and slide into child's pose. Then we're going to slide ourselves forward into up dog and go back to down dog, to child's pose, to up dog. I'm going to repeat this 10 times. So down dog, child's pose, this is 3. Slide forward, up dog, open your heart, down dog. This is 4, child's pose, up dog, down dog. 5. So you guys can put on your own music for this. We love our music in boot camp, don't we? Down dog. Hope I'm doing this right. Child's pose. See, I write this down and then I do it wrong. But that's all right. You guys still love me, right? I think we have 2 more. I'm losing track. See, I need my accountability. I'm doing this different. Anyway, down dog, up dog, child's pose, just so you get all 3 of them in. And let's say we have 1 more. We're stretching the shoulders, warming up the shoulders and the arms and the core. And let's say that's it. Okay, so this next one, come into plank and then step forward, lizard. So we're gonna do 10 of these. 3, both sides. Warming up the shoulders, the core, the legs. 5, 4, 6, 7, 9. See, I need you guys to help me count. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we're going to start with some core. So we're going to do 2 rounds of 3 different exercises. We're going to do bicycles, then we're going to do suitcases, then we're going to do dips. All right, so here we go. I've got a microphone in my back, so let's see if I can do this. I'll move it out of the way. Okay, so 30 bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not so bad, 11, 12, 13, 14, I can count, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Round 1 of bicycles. Okay, the second exercise is suitcases. 30 of these. Okay, these are the hard ones, right? So hug in, open up, like you're opening a suitcase. 2, 3, 4. These really work the abs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 more. We can do this. 11, I miss you guys. 12, 13, 14, post what music you're playing. 15, especially Lisa. She's our music aficionado. What's the word? Aficionado. 19, 20, 10 more, 10, let's count backwards, 9, 8, 7, that's for Coy, he likes to count backwards, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, 1. We have one more round to go. The last exercise, oh, okay. So this is dips. See, I wrote them down and I forgot. All right, so we're gonna do 30 dips. Here we go. So set yourself up and I'll be able to watch myself and see if I'm actually doing them right. So bend your elbows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I forgot I had a mirror in here, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, Coy, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1, here we go. So we're gonna go back, we're gonna do bicycles again. Here we go, 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going for 30, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 more, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, here we go. You ready for this last round of suitcases? Hug them in and open them up. All right, here we go. 1, 2, go faster than me if you want. 3, 4, I am 58, 5, sorry, I'm not making excuses. 6, 7, 8, and that's the new 38, 9, 10, only 20 more. 20, let's go, Coy. 19, 18, such an optimistic way of looking at it. 17, 16, 15, see if I were all alone, I probably would have stopped by now. 14, thank you guys for being here. 14, 13, 12, 11, okay, count down with me. 10, 9, oh my abs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, oh, 2 more. We got this, 2. Last one. 1. Oh, that is one strong suitcase. Okay, here we go. Dips, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, keep smiling, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, okay. Shake it out. Stretch it out while I figure out what the next thing was that we were going to do. Okay, so little cardio here. So let me put my mic back on. So we're going to start with 30 high knees, 30 plank jacks, and 30 regular jacks. And we'll do 2 sets, same thing. So you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See if my mic stays on. 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. We did it. Let me fix this mic. All right, so the next one is plank jacks. You guys know it. Get into your plank position. Here we go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, firming the core. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, wow, look at that cord. 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, get your heart rate up. Mine is. Okay, let's get into some jacks. Are you ready? Are you ready for some jacks? Remember that? Okay, here we go, 30 jacks. You can choose your jack of your choice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe you switch it up. Wait a minute. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm looking out my window at the beautiful snow. It's so pretty, even though it is spring. All right. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, my mic's falling out. 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30. I love how you guys didn't stop when I stopped. All right, now it's plank jacks. Assume the position. Here we go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That was good. All right. All right, you guys pick your favorite jacks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 3, 5, 7, 9, 30. When I'm swimming laps, I have to switch my counting because I get so bored. So that's what I was doing. Okay, so the next round is going to be with weights, and I'm hoping I haven't picked too high a weight. I have a few sets here at home. These are going to be 10s, but no matter what I do, you're going to keep going. All right, so here we go. It's going to be a down dog plank with a row. Okay, and we're going to go for 10 on each side. No, actually, I wrote down 15, 10 to 15. All right, here we go. Get into down dog, row, row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring that elbow high. Keep your hips square as much as you can. I think this is 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. I need you guys. I really do. We all need community to keep us accountable, to make us laugh, and daggone it, to help us count. 12, 13, because I get distracted easily. 13, that's why I do yoga. 14, 14, 15, and 15. Nice job. Okay, let's see what else I have. Okay, so we're gonna stand up with our weights. Just start with a little march, just to keep the feet moving, and just row, upward rows. 3, 4, 5, get into the shoulders. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good, 10. Let's go for 15, 11. So this first set, 15. Easy peasy. 12. Oh, my dogs are outside. I'm taking care of my brother's dog. He's playing with Sophie. It's so cute. All right. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna take some overheads. It's just some triceps because we wanna work this triceps because even though it's spring and it's snowing, summer's right around the corner. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, use 2 weights for the first round at least, and then you can go down to 1. Sorry, I didn't say that. Stephanie Dignan, the boot camp girl. All right, I think 2 more. Good job. All right, so here we go. Back into down dog. Let's do 15 of those rows, or whatever you can, right and left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this workout because you know I may be having some soup right now if it weren't for you. I really appreciate it. All right, here I go again. I think that's 5, but you guys are counting, right? 6, 6. I hope you're playing some good music to inspire you. Music is so important, I think, to keep going in a workout. But if you're going to post music, if you're going to post a video on YouTube, they want you to use your own music, and I don't have music. All right, I'm saying 5, right? Am I right? I don't know, it's close enough. 4, nobody's perfect. 3, as my dad used to always say, everybody's different, and nobody's perfect. And ain't that the truth? All right, this is the last one. Thank you. Stand up, march it out, roll your shoulders a couple of times. Get ready. Upward row. 2, 3, keep it going. 4, oh, that snow is so beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8, you can do this. 9, 10, we're doing this together. 12, 13, did I skip one? 14, 15, one more for good measure, in case I skipped it. All right, last one. What was it again? It was overhead. I'm gonna put down one of my heavy blank weights. Here we go. 15, 14, work those triceps. 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, we can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let them go. Take a little stretch of the arms. Open and close the wrists. Open and close the hands. Roll the wrists. Yeah, there we go. Roll. Open and close. Stretch your shoulders. Stretch your triceps. Let's see what's next. Oh, good one. We're going to get into some squats with bicep curls. We'll shoot for 15, so grab your weights. Here we go. Bring your feet about hip width. Woo, here we go. Sink down, squat, bicep, squat, bicep. Claudia loves her squats. Yeah. And we love Claudia. Hi, Claudia. I hope you're working out with us. 6. We love all the boot campers. 8, 9. I could barely say that to 9. 10, 11. See, isn't this fun? 12, 13, 14. That's the thing about boot camp. We work out for about a half an hour. Let's just take some side to sides, work that waist while we're talking. But we don't stop. We really don't. Sometimes we do some intervals where we'll let the heart rate come down, but just briefly. So you can get a lot done in a half an hour. A lot of calorie burn, a lot of fat burn. Okay, so that was our round 1, or our first round 1 of squats. Okay, so we're gonna do a side plank. So come down to a side plank. Now, a side plank can look a lot of different ways, so you're gonna make it your own. If you want, you can use your weight. You can come up high, and we're gonna hold it for 15 slow counts. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's go to the other side. All right, that wasn't so bad. So set yourself up and lift that weight up. I hope you're using a heavier weight than me. Shall we count? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. My room has an echo. I love it. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Whew. Okay. All right. So that was not the last one. We have one more. All right. Here we go. We're going to do a light jog, and we're going to go for 15 cherry pickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are hard with the heavy weights. 13, 14, 15. Good job. All right. So we're going back. We're going back in. Round 2, squats and bicep curls. Thank you for being with me. Here we go. Squat and bicep. Squat and curl. Squat and bicep. I hope you have a beautiful window where you can look out at the snow. Unless you're in Florida, in which case we hate you. No kidding. Okay, here we go. 7, I think, 8. Keep your elbows into your waist, even if I wasn't. 9, 10, 5 more, and then that's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Okay, so here we go. Back to those side planks. With or without weights, either way, you know, you're getting a really good oblique workout. Shall we count? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. You can take some wrist circles. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, other side. Here we go. Whatever you did on that side, do on this side. Must keep the balance. All right, here we go. Damn, that cord. Here we go, sorry. Sorry, children, didn't mean to cuss. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Roll your wrists. 5. Go the other direction. 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Beautiful job, my loves. Beautiful. Here we go. I feel like, remember Romper Room when she used to like do shout outs to all the kids? Hi, Susie. Hi, Jack. I'm so glad you're watching. That's what I've been doing. Okay. Zaya, are you watching? Are you working out with us tonight? Zaya is only 15. She comes to boot camp. She's awesome. She does such a great job. Okay, here we go. Last round, cherry pickers. Let's do it together. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys rock. Open up your arms. Look up. Thank God for this beautiful day, this beautiful spring day where we're getting like 10 inches of snow. Bring your right arm under your left arm. Squeeze those arms together, wrap them around. Let's take an eagle pose. Let's bend the right knee. Take your left foot around your right. Find some balance here. Yeah, this is tricky. So maybe you can wrap that foot around. Maybe it just comes to the floor. Toe can come to the floor. So after working out, yeah, balance is hard sometimes. Open it up. Open it up. Okay, switch sides. Step into your left leg. Let's start with the legs this time. Get this silly cord away from me. Wrap those legs around one another. Right arm goes under. Squeeze. So you want to squeeze here. You want to create some blood flow in the arms and legs. Maybe sink your hips down a little bit lower. Maybe even lift your elbows. Eagle pose, balance, boom, done. Open it up. Lift your head, lift your gaze. Bring your arms back behind your back. Clasp, clasp. Try saying that right now, clasp. Not easy. I am a voiceover professional. Lift your arms, lower. Let that heart rate come down. Exhale, side out the mouth. Bring your hands to your hips, roll on up. Roll your shoulders. Roll those shoulders. Roll those shoulders. All right. Just in case on a snow day you might be sitting at your computer longer. Hopefully you're not out there driving. Rolling your shoulders back and down, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Great idea. And I'll give you one more idea toward the end of this. So stretching, shoulders, opening up, bringing that blood flow back into the fingers, the hands, all those joints. They need our TLC, right? All right, stretch those triceps again. Give yourself a nice pat on the back because you did so great. Switch to the other side. Yeah, say it. Connie, you did amazing. Because really, I wouldn't have done it without you. All right, open those arms. Let's just stretch the biceps. So stretching this wrist. If you are on the computer typing, if you're on your typewriter typing, switch. Raise your hand if you still have a typewriter. My mom probably would if somebody hadn't thrown hers away. Sorry, Mom. Oh, beautiful. All right. Shake it out. Shake it out. Happy shakes, happy shakes, happy shakes. Inhale, lift up. Palms touch. Exhale, fold forward. Find the floor. Inhale, find a halfway lift. Exhale, walk your hands. Find that downward facing dog that we started with. Lift your hips high. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, bring your knees as wide as your mat. Sink your hips back to your heels for a lovely child's pose. This is the best pose in the world. Come on, you guys, really. I feel like I might be shouting now. I'm going to whisper. Let's bring my voice down. Because you should be able to hear me because I'm talking into a mic. Big inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Okay, walk yourself up. Come to your seat. Right, hopefully you can still hear me, right? Bring your feet together. Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Sit up nice and tall. You guys know this pose. Let your knees just relax toward the floor. Big breath in, shine your heart. Nice, long, slow exhale. And if it feels right, just come forward. Just come slowly with a nice tall spine. And then if it's feeling really awesome, just relax. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. If you have the sniffles, try not to let it drip on your mat. Ew, that's gross. Okay, sit up. Big breath in. Okay. All right, so let's take your right leg over the left. Just bent like that. Sit up nice and tall, twist. Twist towards your right. Do you like this whisper? It's kind of nice. So this is my new yoga room. We just finished it. I'll show it to you. I'm hoping to someday teach some classes in here. It's pretty zen. Slowly release. Switch sides, bending that right knee, cross that left over the right. Sit up nice and tall. Did you guys break a sweat? I think I did. I started to. It's so cold in here because it's cold outside and I don't really have the heat turned up very high because it's spring. Nice job. One more breath. Unwind with your exhale. Let your feet come forward. And just bring your hands into Dandasana. Sit up nice and tall. And just point and flex. So your mat might come with you. And then just rotate your ankles. Yeah, don't want to forget the ankles. I want to remember all the beautiful joints in the body. Lift up. Reach up for the sky. Fingertips. Reaching for the sun. Yes, we love you, son. Remember when my daughter was really little, fold forward, find your feet, sit up nice and tall. I mean, have a flat back. And then when you're ready, go for it. Fold in. When my daughter was really little and it would be raining, we'd sing that song, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree today, snow. These little children wanna play with you or something. Please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. And magically, come up slowly. When we would sing that, the sun would come out. Oh my gosh, look at it. Just kidding, not really. All right, so here we go. I'm going to show you my little antidote for slump asana, that driving thing, and that even lifting weights and sitting at the computer. So our shoulders come forward, our heart sinks in. We want to be able to lead with the heart. We want to be open. So there's some great heart openers, and we can just take our final resting pose here, and I hope you guys will, in this Shavasana. So you can use a bolster if you have it, use a towel or a blanket rolled up. Straighten it out nice and long, right behind your spine. Sit your booty up right next to it and just sink down. Let your arms come out. Let your feet be as wide as your mat. So here in this position, your shoulders can just come down toward the floor and your heart is shining, shining, shining. So stay here as long as you'd like, and then maybe even roll on down. And namaste. Thank you for playing with me today. Thank you for motivating me to work out. Have a wonderful, happy snow day. Please pray for spring. See ya.